For remove 3D LUT Creator, it is not easy way, because you see this tutorial. So, for remove you required, go to folder library plugins, when you can see a folder FX plugin. It is a folder of the 3D LUT Creator. If you type in rm-rf and folder name, you could not remove this folder because you not under sudo rights. I open the Finder and folder with this current path and remove by hand fx plug folder. That's it. Also, you need to check some special folders with a 3D LUT Creator plugin. Check this folder.